Hello students, welcome back to social class. Last class we already studied 4 problems of India and their solution, and today we are learning the remaining problems of India and their solution. We already completed 4 we learned, and today we are learning about the 5th one, that is status of women. Yes, status of women. Here we are learning about the achievement of women in a pre-independent India are notable one, because we are familiar about some other name as like Sarojini Naidu, as like Kittur Rani Chennamma and Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. Like that, many other people or many other women name we can see in a pre-independent India, because they are notable because of their achievements here. And also even at present, now we can see there as a women, they are present in all walk of life. Everywhere we can see as a women, they are in a field of services, like as a teacher or about a doctor or about an engineer or about a military or army or about a policeman. Every field we can see as here in our country as the services of women. But the status of women, it is required or it is needed a lot of improvement. What is the main thing here based on? That is why I call it as it is one of the most important problem of India. Even at present, as a woman, she will be or a woman will be present in all walk of life. Then also as a status of women, it is needed as a lot of improvement. That is because of status of women, it is very low. Due to reasons are there. It is none other than social customs. Status of women, it is very low in a present situation because of many other reasons. That is social customs, poverty, illiteracy. So these are the problems it was faced by women. As a social custom, it was practiced from early itself. As you know, as starting itself, we learned there as a discrimination regarding the gender, as they are giving a more importance to a man than a woman. And also even our Indian society, it was made up of many of the family we learned it. And also in order to go for a work, many other restrictions it was brought or it was told or it was given by their family member. So that is the first main problem, that is a social custom. Another one is that is the most important problem in our country, that is poverty. Because of poverty, they are not getting an education, so no skill or no skill-based education here, so they can't go for a work here. And next one is that is the illiteracy. They won't go for an education, means they won't get any education. So they won't get any education here, means they will be called as illiterate people here. So these are the important problems. It was made as a status of women very low in a present situation here. And also even as a government, it was brought various steps in order to give a status of women. We already learned about in the last class as about the 3E we learned. There is as a education, employment, and also even an election matter we learned. And still more some other measures it was taken by Indian government. As a government has taken various steps in order to start. Various steps in order to give the status of women, as the government has started here as a Women Child Development Department. Women Child Development Department. It was started by our Indian government. Why it was started here means through that we can give there as an importance for from beginning itself as about a child, and also even about the women. Women Child Development Department, it has been started by our Indian government. What is the reason behind that here means first they have to give as a women's education. Women's education getting an education or about a woman was getting an education here means entire family she will make it as a educated family. That is the main aim here, as because of that they brought here as a women child development department, through that they can give that as a women education and also to improve our health. If it is we are physically and mentally we are healthy here means we can go for any other work here. If it is that too it won't be work properly means we can't do any work in a sincere way. So in order to give importance to our health also, this department or this development was brought by a government. And even about the status, when a woman she was getting a proper education, she was standing on her foot and also even she was physically and mentally she was healthy here means she will be getting as a proper status here. That is the main important thing, so that the government has started there as a women child development department. So I hope you are understanding here. Next steps it was taken by Indian government as about the various steps it was taken in order to curb, in order to prevent. What are they here means? In order to curb a child marriage system. Child marriage system and also a Dowry Prohibition Act. Dowry Prohibition Act, and even it should be given as a compulsory and free education from 6 to 14 to a children. It is a duty and responsibility of a parents and the guardians will learn. There is a free and compulsory education should be given from 6 to 14 to a children. Till that it should be given. It is a compulsory going to give to a children. It is a duty and responsibility of parent and guardian will learn it. So I hope you are understanding. Even though as about this system it was brought, reason will be the why it was brought here. And next one we learn that as a government has started or a government was brought there as a various measures in order to curb these two important problems. That is a child marriage system. Earlier as it was there in the practice, it is a severe problem we were considered. Now it was rarely it was having there, only 1 or 2 cases will be there. And also even as a child marriage system and a Dowry Prohibition Act, it is also another most important severe problem we can consider in India. So in order to curb this one, government has started or brought there as a various measures. And another one is that should be given to our children as a free and compulsory education from 6 to 14. I hope you are understanding about this one, these two. And now still more, apart from these two, as a government has implemented, government was implemented Sri Shakti program. Sri Shakti program. This is another most important program. It was brought by or it was implemented by Indian government because it is none other than it is empowerment or women empowerment we can consider. She will be get a job or she will be get a status, she will be get as education, then entire society or entire country it will be getting there as a development we can consider. So here Sri Shakti program also it was brought by Indian government, it was implemented by Indian government. And even though Women's Commission, another one is Women's Commission has been established. Why it has been established and also where it was established? It was established in national and state level in order to address the various issues of women. In order to address various issues of women. Whatever the problem are there, it was discussing or it was bringing there as a solution. Not only the one side, it was brought from a national and also state level in order to address the various issues of women. So what they brought here means it is another Women's Commission. That is another one most important step. It was brought by Indian government, and even though as a Indian government, it was brought there as a reservation from national and state level, and even in a local body election, there also we can see, and also even about a government part of government-based recruitment. There also we can see that as a reservation it was given. Last class we already learned one thing, that is about one third of our reservation or a seat it was given to a women in all over India we can consider. That is regarding the local body election, and even in the Karnataka 50% reservation it was given to a women in order to take a part in a local body election. So like this said, as about the state and national level, there also reservation it was given, and about the local body election just now we learned, and even about the government based recruitment, as about the government vacancy or government job we can consider. There also they are giving there as a reservation in order to bring as a or in order to give the status of women in India. And also through that we can see that as some other women, they already got there as a position, and they will be called as a inspired figure we can consider. As Indira Gandhi, she became as the first women Prime Minister of India. As Pratibha Patil, she became as the first women President of India. Like Sucheta Kripalani, she became as the first women Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh we learned that. And also even Sarojini Naidu, she became as the first women Governor of India we learned. So these are inspired figure. They are giving an inspiration to other women to take or to get that position. So I hope you are understanding. When the people they will be do a good thing, it will be inspiring them more. So this is also the same. So I hope you are understanding. It can be solved, but it is required as a step by step. What steps is required here. So I hope you are understanding about the status of women, how it has been considered as a problem of India, and what are the steps it was taken by the government. Even at present also it was continuing the same. So I hope you are understanding about this topic. Now let's move towards the next one, that is the sixth one, terrorism. Terrorism. This terrorism is also called as extremism. Ugragamigalu we can call in Kannada. This is a that severe problem we can consider as a dispute regarding a country. Country means that this is a problem it will be arising, and even our country also it was facing from a long back, and even today or even at present also we are facing the same. Now let's go for this matter. And as a terrorism, it is another most important problem and a challenge to India, and it is also called as a extremism. And even as a terrorism, it is mainly based on political ideologies, ideological belief, and religious faith. These three important parts it was based on or based on terrorism. It is based on political ideologies, ideological belief, and also religious faith. It was brought as a individual as well as a community. It is not only affecting an individual or a one person, it was affecting to other people or a community or a group of people we can consider. It is mainly based on a caste, creed, culture or a language or about a racial part we learned in the last class. So here they are telling that as it is mainly based on political ideologies, ideological belief and a religious faith, and it was brought as a great loss to an individual as well as a community. And also even it was creating, what it was creating here means it is a psychological pain it was creating. It creates psychological pain, and even it also influence the cultural, it influence cultural aspects negatively. It was affecting to a people psychologically. We were getting a pain whenever terrorists they are attacked here. It is not only having a aim towards a one person, entire part or entire place it was getting a problem. So that's what they are telling that as it was creating that as a psychological pain. We were having in our mind what will happen and who will come, when it will happen, what will happen. This all it is a problem it was creating in the mind of the people. So that is the psychological pain, and it was influencing the cultural aspects in a negative way. Whatever the culture we are following that it is getting that as a problem from terrorism. And even though as this terrorism it was creating or it was a feed that fear in the mind of the people. It feeds fear in the minds of the people. They will be getting fear. Just now I told you what will happen. This is psychological pain we are having. Of course, it is bringing that as a fear in our mind also. And even though it is none of that, it is nothing but fulfilling narrow aim by creating panic and violence. So I hope you are understanding as about this matter. As a terrorism, it was nothing but a fulfilling narrow aim. Whatever they are having a fulfillment, it was just it is like a small fulfill. Through that they are end up or also they are spoiling or destroying entire country or entire place or entire state we can consider. So here they are telling it is nothing but it was a fulfilling narrow end by creating a panic and a violent situation. We followed whenever we are getting a freedom, we are following a non-violence, ahimsa. And but here they are following ahimsa, means giving a problem or a reality to a people here we can consider. In that it was a rich or it was affecting to a common, normal, ordinary people also. It's all. So here, even as a terrorism, it was organizing. It organized. What it was organized here means as a crime activities. It was organizing crime activities like anti-social activity, and also anti-national activities, So I hope you are understanding about the point. Here they told about it is mainly based on political ideologies, ideological belief and a religious faith, and it was bringing there as a great loss to our individual us, is or no? So, sorry, Mumbai, not USA. And also even a bomb attack that is on Bali, that is in Indonesia. There is that's also another most important problem. It was faced by the people towards a terrorist or a terrorism. And also even we learned that as a bomb, it was attacking to some other cities like France or Britain or many other countries also. It was getting there as a effect, but where they are having there as an intention to spoil or destroy a place, they will do that one. Yes or no? So this is about we learned about only a few points, and still more point are there. Let's learn it one by one. Just now we learned about the terrorism, how it will be taken as a activities, and who will do that one as a terrorist. We can call them as they are the pre-planner. They are pre-planner of their own ideology or their own network of intelligence. They are who are having their own network of intelligence. They are highly qualified people. Even at present we can see these all people, they are highly qualified. Even as a person or even as a people, they are not getting their job properly, then they will go in this route only. So I hope you are understanding. They are none of them, they are a pre-planner and who are having their own network of intelligence, and also they are having some other, or they are using the tactics here. They are using tactics or techniques we can consider. What are the techniques they are using here means there is a suicide bombing, kidnapping, and also their main intention was they to give a problem to people, but here they are affecting or they are having a attention towards a normal people or innocent people or innocent people also. They are having a target, and where they are having a target especially, they are target on civilian of the country, civilian of the country, military base, and also specific community, and also specific community who are especially or it is mainly based on a language, color or a religion. Language, region, a color, it is mainly based on this. Just so I told that as a terrorist, they are a pre-planner and they are using their as a techniques or tactics as that is another suicide bombing or kidnapping, or else they are a target on innocent people, and also even the target on a civilian of the country, and also even military bases, and also even about the specific community. It is mainly based on language, region and the color. And even as a people, they are busy or they are targeting on a busy area. They are targeting on busy area where people or more people they are gathering. Can you consider where we can see as a people they are gathering in a more number? Yes, of course, it is a market or about a railway station or about an airport and about some other places wherever like a program it was taken or a function it was held or it was taking in any other function. So here all we can see there is a large number of people they are gathering. So the terrorists, their main aim or a targets on a busy area. It is another market, railway station and airport. Like this, there are many other places where we can see there is a more in a number. So I hope you are understanding about this one. Even as about our India. It is one of the country it was targeting from many years as about places like Nagaland or about Manipur and Punjab and Kashmir. These all places it was highly targeting places we can consider. And even as about a dispute it was came towards a country we learned in the last year. So I hope you are understanding about as India, it was facing, it was targeting from many years regarding some other places. As you know that there was an attack on November 26, 2007. At that time, as about the attack, that is attack on Taj Hotel in Mumbai, we learned that there also as about a terrorist attack was taken place, and their main intention or they are targeting places that is the Bangalore, Buddha Gaya, or about the Hyderabad and Chennai. So here you are observing that as how they are having an intention to spoil or to destroy some other places. I told about the terrorism, then afterwards who will do that work for them we can call as a terrorist leader, and how they are planning according to their mind or according to their network of intelligence we learn, and also even where and all they are attacked also we learn just now. And also even as about our neighboring countries, you already know that one as we were calling as an enemy country. There are another Pakistan and China. They are also accusing their support to other people or accusing their support to a terrorist in our own country also. That is also one of the most important problem of India we can consider. And also even as about our country, it was criticizing there as a terrorist activities in other country. Wherever it was going, it was opposing them. It is not accusing that or it was not giving a support here. But as about the other countries, they are accusing support to these activities. So that's what as a country, it was taking a help from other country in order to destroy other country. And also even in order to sort out this problem, in order to prevent this problem, it is not all of a sudden we can't close this matter. So it is required that as a step by step some other measure. So government of India from both state and central part as about it was taking up various steps in order to protect the life and property of a common ordinary people also, because they are the sufferer who will be to a problem, they will be getting as a problem means it is okay, but who will be a sufferer, who will be getting a problem here, they will be getting a problem means, or who will be a normal or ordinary people, they will get a problem here means it won't be a it is not good we can consider. So I hope you are understanding about this one. And even though as about in Indian history, we can see that as a achievement it was made on these violence, that is especially a terrorism, that is in a little way or a little bit we can see that, because we learned during at that time we are following a method, we are made by or this history, it was made by love, peace and also non-violence. We are using this or we are utilizing this, through that we got a freedom, we learned the lesson in a history part. But as about we can see that as during that time as about the people they are killed, as about Gandhiji and about Indira Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi, they are also got this problem, and as even whatever the effort they put, it was not erased here, but here they are mainly part it was a strong, that is the progress in the peace we can consider. And even afterwards we were learning about the actions of Buddha or about Mahavira or about Jesus Christ, Muhammad Paigambar, Basaveshwar or Basavarna, and Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or Nelson Mandela. These all people they given a three important things. What they given here is new life, new path and new life. These all people they given through our action, but they are not utilizing through these activities. So that's what these all people or action people we can consider. They give us a three important things, that is a new life and a new path. It's a route or way we can consider, and also even we are following that path, that is through our life we can consider. It is a new life. It was given to a people all over the world. So I hope you are understanding. In that we can consider one thing, it is a love and peace. Love and peace. It is a greater than violence and hate. Violence and hate. So I hope you are understanding about here love and peace or non-violence. It is a greater part of importance it was having whenever we are comparing to violence and hate here. People they will lose their life. So this is about terrorism, and another one is it is another corporate strategy. It is a last problem of India, and also even at present as about since the 21st century we can consider it as it is a challenge faced by India. We can consider that is corporate strategy. What is the meaning of this? You are learning about your meaning. It is none other than it is a group of administrative measures. It was taken by the company in order to achieve that as a pre-mediated target. We can consider it is a group of administrative measures taken by a company in order to achieve pre-mediate target. Now at present we are using as a corporate strategy. It was used by a globalized environment and also modern technology. As about this one, it was giving or it was affecting the as a people, society, and even about a country. Means negatively it was affecting them. But as about in order to get a success, it is mainly influenced out of government permission here. Without a government permission, we can't do or we can't go for this one. So that's what it is a main problem. Even though it was bringing a development, but also we require here as a government permission here. In a positive way, we will go here means it can be solved there as a many other problem, as it can be alleviate many other problem. What are they means as about the poverty, as about what is that nutrition food we can consider, or about a skill based education we can consider, or about whatever the problem we are facing. Here we can get that as a first step we can consider. But here it should be or this activity should be mandatory by a legal measure. Then only we can utilize, then only we can bring there as a development we can consider. So this is about the corporate strategy. I hope you are understanding about it till now. Whatever the problems we learned, nearly 7 problems we learned and also their solutions we learned. I hope almost all are understood. Here this lesson comes to be an end. Till then, take care. Thanks.